Crystal clear footage can be the difference between winning and losing an insurance claim. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K dashcams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your vehicle. If you want sharper license plate capture, stronger night vision, and reliable 24/7 protection, this list is built to help you choose the right dashcam without wasting money. I'll compare resolution quality, night performance, smart features, and overall reliability. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue N2X 2.7K HDR. The Vantrue N2X records in 2.7K HDR resolution and includes a front and interior camera. It uses a STARVIS 2 sensor, supports 5G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, 60 FPS recording, and voice control. Review highlights. While not full 4K, the HDR in STARVIS 2 sensor deliver excellent low-light clarity. It's especially strong for rideshare drivers who need interior monitoring. Pros: STARVIS 2 sensor for improved night vision, HDR support for better dynamic range, interior IR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, reliable dual camera setup. Number 4. Jimi JC181 Mini. The Jimi JC181 Mini focuses on connectivity and remote monitoring. It features 4G live streaming, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and front plus interior cameras. Review highlights. This dashcam is ideal for fleet vehicles or security-focused users. The ability to live stream footage remotely sets it apart from traditional dashcams. Pros: 4G live streaming access, GPS tracking and remote monitoring, multi-alarm security alerts, compact and discreet installation. Number 3. AZDOME 550. The AZDOME 550 offers 3-channel recording with 2.5K front, 1.0K interior, and 2.5K rear cameras. It includes Wi-Fi, GPS, IR night vision, and a built-in IPS display screen. Review highlights. Triple camera coverage ensures full protection, front, rear, and cabin. It's a great option for drivers who want maximum coverage and solid resolution across all angles. Pros: 3-channel full coverage, strong 2.5K front and rear, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, IR night vision for interior, clear IPS display screen. Number 2. Baseus 3K VD1. The Baseus 3K VD1 delivers 3K front recording with a rear camera and built-in GPS supporting Galileo. It uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, improving durability in extreme weather. It also supports 24-hour parking mode. Review highlights. The 3K resolution captures sharper road details compared to standard 2K cameras. The supercapacitor design increases lifespan and reliability, especially in hot summer conditions. Pros: 3K high-resolution recording, supercapacitor for durability, built-in GPS with Galileo support, 24H parking monitoring, reliable dual-camera performance. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Pro. Taking the top position is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro, featuring true 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control functionality. This model is built specifically for high-detail video capture. Review highlights. The 4K front camera delivers exceptional clarity for license plates, road signs, and fine details, even at highway speeds. The 5G Wi-Fi ensures faster file transfers to your smartphone. Pros: true 4K front resolution, 2.5K rear camera, 5G Wi-Fi for faster downloads, voice control support, built-in GPS tracking. Overall, excellent video clarity. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing resolution quality, night vision performance, connectivity, and long-term reliability, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro stands out as the best 4K dashcam of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.